Moving to or from Lombard, Illinois. Choosing the right moving company is crucial for a smooth, hassle-free move. Most Lombard movers provide full-service options, including packing, loading, transporting, and unloading your belongings. Moving costs vary, but typically range from $350 to $1,600 for local moves, with hourly rates between $85 and $150 per mover. Costs depend on how many items you move, the distance, and when you schedule your move. Look for movers with positive reviews, proper licensing, and insurance coverage to protect your possessions. Declutter beforehand, pack efficiently with quality materials, and label boxes clearly for an organized move. Save money by packing yourself, getting multiple quotes, and scheduling your move during weekdays. Be prepared, communicate your needs clearly, and supervise the loading process to avoid issues. Unpack essentials first and inspect your belongings for any damage immediately after the move. For trusted local services during your move in Lombard, visit us today.